Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Shenoy Manek, a transformation coach and a master trainer of Neuro-Linguistic Programming. And in this channel, I provide you with psychology-based insights and powerful mind reprogramming strategies with which you can overcome all your internal limitations and start living a happy, fulfilled, and successful life. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 6 hypnotic phrases that you can use that reduce resistance in any conversation so that you can influence others subconsciously. This is a part of a series of videos that I'm making on subconscious influence. So if you haven't seen all the videos, I'm going to link them underneath and ensure that after you watch this video, you go back and watch all the other videos, because in every video, I'm sharing some really secret strategies. The objective of using all these hypnotic phrases is that you should be able to speak in a way that's totally unexpected by the other person. If you've watched my other videos on hypnosis, you will realize that one of the ways to put somebody else into a hypnotic trance is to surprise them. Basically do something that they are least expecting. And here you're conversationally surprising people by speaking something that they don't expect. People expect others to be predictable. They expect others to go by certain patterns. And when you casually break those patterns, you are confusing their conscious mind and you are speaking straight to their subconscious mind, thereby reducing resistance. I'm going to be discussing 3 phrases in this video and breaking it up into 2 videos because I don't want each video to go on very long. So ensure that you're watching the next video as well. The first phrase that you can use to reduce resistance is, I don't know if, right? Now people expect others to behave like they know it all, right? If somebody's selling something or somebody's convincing you, you expect them to behave like they know it all, like they have all the answers. But when you say or use a phrase like, I don't know if this is right for you. I don't know if this is the right time for you. I don't know if, I don't know everything, but the other person is subconsciously taken by surprise, and they also start seeing a vulnerability in you. It is said that people love people who are vulnerable. So when you admit to, of course, you must not admit to not knowing anything, because if you say, I don't know anything, people will say, then what the hell are you doing over here, right? But as a parent or as a spouse or even as a boss or as a leader, sometimes when you say things like, hey, listen, I don't know everything. It's not like I know everything. It makes people trust you instantly. And if you're enjoying this video and you're excited about knowing the rest of the strategies, ensure that you're clicking the like button over here. And I want you to comment below, I am excited, because trust me, I'm sharing with you some very secret strategies that people don't usually share with people because it makes them feel vulnerable. But I want you to know that there are structured language patterns that all influencers use. And once you start using them, you can become a great, powerful influencer as well. So please type in, I am excited in the comment section. The second phrase is, would you be surprised if I tell you that this is one of the best deals in the market right now? Would you be surprised if I tell you that if you do this, it's going to tremendously help you? Would you be surprised if I tell you that if you make this bet today, you're going to be able to sit and enjoy quality time with mommy? When you use the phrase, would you be surprised if, the answer in people's mind is, no, I wouldn't be surprised, because people like to think that they know everything, that nothing takes them by surprise. The moment you say, would you be surprised if, they instantly say no to the surprise, which means they're saying yes to whatever you're saying after that. Does that make sense to you? Would you be surprised if I tell you that by taking on this role, it's going to really catapult your career to the next level? Now, the person saying, no, I wouldn't be surprised, which means that they're agreeing that this role is going to help them go to the next level in their career. So it's such an indirect, twisted way of getting somebody to agree with you. Of course, remember this, you're not going to be using all of these phrases and all strategies everywhere. Make them a part of your vocabulary, make them a part of your language. And how do you do that? Don't just listen to all my videos and say, interesting, that's really nice. Go and try, go and use them today in your language. Today go out there and use. Would you be surprised if I tell you? Use that statement somewhere and see how it works. In my previous video, I had spoken about 5 mind hacks that really influence people. I spoke about how you can understand human psychology and how you can make somebody feel in control, or somebody feel wanted, or somebody like they have choices, so that you can get them to say a yes to whatever that you're talking about. Did you try that? If you haven't seen that video, watch that video and try those strategies. These are mega powerful strategies and you cannot miss them out. The best way to make the best out of what I am speaking about right now is to practice them. So comment in the section below, in the comment section, that I am willing, right? Type in I am willing in the comment section, so that I know that you are listening to me and you're going to practice everything that I'm speaking. The third statement, and a very interesting one, is I shouldn't be telling you this, but people love to know secrets. They just love it, isn't it? When somebody tells you something that you're not supposed to know, your ears immediately prickle and you're like, I want to know what this is. So when you're saying something interesting, don't use it too much. Use this very, very sparingly. Actually, use all these very, very sparingly, only when necessary. When you really want to catch somebody's attention and you want them to listen to you, say, I shouldn't be telling you this, but this is a very limited offer. Anything that you can follow it with anything, but the moment you say, I shouldn't be telling you this, people's attention comes on what you are speaking. So these three really powerful strategies, I want you to go back, practice these, come back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, because there are more than 100 powerful videos, NLP tutorials and strategies, law of attraction videos, things that I do in my workshops. I also do tutorials of those on my channel. So for those who want to learn on the go and just to want to get to understand what's NLP, just want some strategies to make their life working right now, subscribe to my channel and ensure you're watching one video every single day and practicing it, and see the tremendous difference it's going to show in your life. And if you're serious about really if you want me to coach you and mentor you through the process where you can not only transform your life, but probably, I shouldn't be telling you this, but maybe someday you can become an influencer, you can become a mentor, you can become a leader. I can handhold you through the process. And if that's something you want, visit our website and you can get to know about all our upcoming workshops and how you can get skilled in NLP and other sciences, right? I am sure you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to be coming up with another video soon after this part 2 with 3 more phrases that you can use to reduce resistance in your conversation. Thank you so much for joining me today. And thank you so very much for being a part of my community and my life. I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye-bye.